You send a photo of someone back to them, their own face, and the response you get is a defensive wall of text, followed by an immediate block. That actually happened to a user on the Dora dating app, and it exposes a very dark reality about what is happening behind the screen. It was a simple experiment to see if the person on the other end was actually breathing. They weren't. The profile had no idea it was looking at its own pictures. That is the frustrating reality a lot of people are discovering right now. We are seeing a massive, consistent wave of reports from users on places like Reddit and Trustpilot. The stories are almost identical. It starts with the replies. They are instant. Every single time you send a message and boom, a response hits your screen within seconds. It does not matter if it is 3 in the morning or the middle of a busy workday. Real people have lives. Real people sleep. Real people take a minute to think of a reply. But these profiles, they are always on. They are always ready. And they always want you to spend more coins. That is where the trap really starts to close. Every single interaction is gated behind a currency system. You want to say hello? That will cost you. You want to see a photo? Pay up. It is a relentless cycle designed to drain your wallet before you even realize you are talking to a script. Users are describing these conversations as generic and hollow. You ask a specific question about their day, and you get a vague answer about how they are looking for a deep connection. It feels like a loop. Because it is a loop, these are not matches. These are lines of code designed to keep you engaged just long enough to click that buy button one more time. People are reporting that they can never, ever exchange actual contact information. The app locks it. Or the person suddenly forgets how to use a phone. It is a digital wall built to keep you paying. The reviews are brutal. People are calling it a cash grab and a total sinkhole for your hard-earned money. Some users have even noticed that different profiles send the exact same canned responses. It is like the developers forgot to vary the script for different characters. You are basically paying for the privilege of being ignored by a machine. When you look at the patterns in the year 2026, it is hard to ignore the red flags. The monetization is aggressive. The profiles are suspiciously perfect. And the success rate for actually meeting someone in the real world seems to be non-existent. It is a high-tech way to sell a dream that does not exist. You are not searching for a partner. You are being farmed for data and dollars. It is a wake-up call for anyone tired of the digital dating grind. If the person on the other side of the screen seems too fast, too perfect, and too expensive, they probably are. The reality is that genuine connection does not come with a per-message price tag. It should not feel like a transaction at every single turn. But that is exactly what these reports are showing us. A platform built on scripts instead of souls. It is a marketplace for loneliness, and the price of entry is way too high. You see the same names, the same photos, and the same prompts to buy more credit. It is a machine that never sleeps, and it never loves back. It is a system that thrives on hope, but offers only code. Every coin spent is a gamble against an algorithm that is rigged for you to lose. You are not failing at dating. You are just playing a game that was never designed for you to win. Stop looking for a pulse in a database. The signs are all there, and they are pointing toward a very expensive exit.